Oh, today we will talk about orienting and devices that can help with this. Determining the sides of the horizon on the ground is called orientation. Today, such methods of orientation on the ground are most common by the sun, the North Star, and local signs, but the most reliable way to determine the sides of the horizon is with a compass. Let's take a closer look at this device. A compass is a device for determining the sides of the horizon, the main part of which is a magnetized arrow freely rotating on the tip of a needle. There are pointer and liquid devices operating on a magnetic base. Models of the first type are more commonly used. These are handheld portable devices that use a magnetic thin needle. It is freely placed at the midpoint relative to the vertical axis and moves horizontally without interference. Let's consider the structure of a compass. A compass consists of a case, a magnetic needle, and a dial signed in degrees. Using a compass, you can determine the main sides of the horizon in the room and on the ground. A magnetized compass needle always has a darker end pointing north. To determine the sides of the horizon, the compass is placed on a horizontal surface. Then it is rotated so that the north mark on the compass scale coincides with the dark end of the arrow. The marks on the compass dial indicate the direction of the sides of the horizon. In total, there are 4 main and 4 intermediate sides of the horizon. Often, the directions to the desired object do not coincide with either the main or intermediate sides of the horizon. Then the exact direction can be set on the compass scale by calculating the azimuth. Azimuth is the angle between the north direction and the direction to a given object on the ground. The value of this angle is expressed in degrees and is calculated from the north direction to the right in a clockwise direction from 0 to 360 degrees. To determine the azimuth, the compass is rotated so that the 0 division coincides with the dark end of the arrow. Then you should turn the compass ring until the line from the slot to the front sight is in the direction of the subject. The front sight will show on the scale the value of the azimuth in degrees. Using a compass with a magnetic needle, it should be understood that the accuracy of the indicators is affected by large metal objects such as towers, power lines, and magnets. Underground deposits of iron ore and other minerals may affect the performance of the device, and magnetic storms can affect the movements of the arrow.